Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning on the feature and letting the system listen. Open Settings, go straight to Voice Control or Assistant, and enable it now. Grant microphone access when prompted. Choose your spoken language and a familiar wake word so recognition is tuned to you. Create or select a voice profile if offered to improve accuracy. Once done, speak clearly for the first test command and watch the visual feedback so you learn how the device shows it heard you. Next, customize commands to match how you naturally speak. Open the command editor and add shortcuts for common tasks, texting, navigation, playback, so you reduce steps. Adjust sensitivity and feedback options to balance responsiveness versus false triggers, and confirm privacy controls for data handling. Practice each new command 5 to 10 times in different tones and distances. You'll see which phrases misfire. Make small edits to phrasing or pause timing, because refinement here drastically improves reliability over time. Finish by making voice control part of your workflow. Use it for messages, timers, and home automation so it learns context. If recognition drops, reboot the device first, then retrain the voice model and re-record phrases where available. Clear app cache, re-grant microphone permissions, and verify the wake word hasn't been altered. Make sure firmware and app updates are installed. One key tip: reduce background noise and test in the same spot you usually use the device to isolate environmental causes when troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.